Hi, welcome. This is TUX Bar Lounge, and this is one of the background music systems that we have done for this bar here in Carlton. So as you walk in, there will be a row of ceiling speakers all the way to the end with the ambience, so the kind of music and the vibe. So this is why we install 6 of these Eckler ceiling speakers. And then for the bar counter, so all the people get the music and the sound, and you can actually hear the bass. But before we go out, we're at this little magical room. Just wave your hand, there you are. So this is a private room for your private parties and so on. There's also a speaker coverage. And then as you take this way out, this is where all the equipment are housed in this rack here. So you have pass-through zone, the main open, the private room. That's the indoor one. And then we come out to the outdoor. So this area was once a open space, but now they have done it up. You will see all the nice bimbo speakers that is covering this whole area. So in the evening, if you are here, you can have a nice cocktail, catch up, chill out with your friends over a bottle of whiskey or some cocktail or nice beer, and you just watch the world goes by, because the opposite is the iconic Rifles Hotel. You also have this area here which is more for cozy conversation, and it's quite windy and cool, so it's covered by background music here. The sound doesn't spill out. You know, spend the afternoon or the evening here and enjoy the vibes here. This TUX Bar, you have the outdoor as well as the indoor. You know, the sound is all controlled from the main. We have the, you want to lower the volume, or you can book a place here for party. This is a nice place to chill out. So I see you guys here. Enjoy the sound that we have installed here.